Ali. In this video, we are going to learn one of the most important modern verb in English. Can. It's small but the very powerful. We are using in daily life to talking about ability, permission, and possibility. So let's start begin and learn how to use a can perfectly. So section one. What is can? Let us start with the basics. Can is a modern verb. That's mean it help the main verb to show meanings. We use can. We are talking about ability, permission, and possibility. Ability, what someone is able to do, and as well as permissions when someone is allowed to do some things, and possibility when something is doing is possible to happen. So remember, can, ability, permission, and possibility. Two, can for ability. When we're talking about ability, we use can to say what someone is able to do. Let's see some examples. I can swim, and she can speak English, and they can play football very well. Mean the persons has the skill to ability to do something. So you can also use cannot for the negative form. For example, I cannot drive a car, and he cannot cook, and for the questions, just move to the start of the sentence. Can you dance, and can she play the guitar? Is the right. 3. Can for permissions. Now talking about permissions, we use can when we give asking to permission to do some things. For example, can I come in? Asking for permissions. You can go now. Giving permissions, and can I use your pen, please? Here is a tip for in form situation. People use many instead of can, and but in daily conversation, can is completely fine. Section 4. Can for possibility. Sometimes we use can to talk about something that is possible in general. For example, it can get very hot in Pakistan in summer, and on the other side, accident can happen anytime. And the third example is that coffee can make you feel fresh. So can is not only about what we do. It also shows what can happen in life. Section 5 is all about practice. It's very interesting. Okay, now let's practice a little. I will say some sentence with the blanks, and you will fill it in can or cannot. So let's start. The first is I blank speak 3 languages. The second is you blank park here. The third is it blank ran today. Now I'm give a pause, fill this sentence. So the first answer is I can speak 3 languages. The second answer is you cannot park here. The third is it can run today. So it's simple, it's not hard. So that's all about can. We learned how to use for it for ability, permission, and possibility. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe it with your friend who is also learning English. So tell me in the comment what one thinks you can do really well. Thank for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.